How to transfer TurboTax to a new computer. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to the TurboTax website. On your new computer, you can simply open up a new browser tab and type TurboTax download, and then click on the first website. Now on this page, you want to click on See Products under Download and Install TurboTax Desktop, and then click on Download TurboTax software right here. And once you've downloaded and installed the software, you will need to sign in to the same TurboTax account that you've used before. And if you've purchased a version before, you can sign into your account on the website to be able to download it again. Next, you can start copying your tax data files from the old computer to the new one. You can use a USB stick or upload them to Google Drive or whatever cloud service. And then you would need to use the USB on the new computer or download them from whatever you upload them on. And you can find your tax files in the old computer. If you go to Documents, right here, you should find either .tax files and the year next to it, or you can find a folder called TurboTax. And then in that case, all you need to do is copy the TurboTax folder or any .tax files that you want to move over, and then put them in your USB stick or upload them to your Google Drive account. And if for some reason if you can't find them in your documents, you can open up the software in your old computer and then save them manually to your desktop or whatever you can access them. And once you've copied the files on your USB or uploaded them to your Google Drive, you want to go to the new computer and either use the USB or sign into the same Google Drive account, and then download them from here and go to your documents again and paste the folder or the files you found in the documents directory while the software is completely closed. And then once you've copied them, you can just open up the software again. And once you've opened the software, it should automatically load the moved files from the other computer. And if you're opening the software for the first time, you might be prompted to activate your license if you have a license. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.